Liberty Mutual Business Insurance Us Pricing explained what you get for your money. Running a business means taking risks, but the smartest owners know how to protect themselves from the ones they can't predict. Liberty Mutual is one of America's largest and most recognized insurers, offering business coverage that fits companies of all sizes. So, what exactly do you get for your money? On average, Liberty Mutual small business insurance costs between $40 and $90 per month depending on your business type and location. That investment gives you several layers of protection. The foundation is general liability coverage, which shields your business if someone is injured or their property is damaged because of your operations. Most plans include at least $1 million in protection per incident. Next is property insurance. This covers your physical assets, your office, tools, and inventory in case of fire, theft, or vandalism. For comprehensive coverage, many small businesses choose Liberty Mutual's Business Owners Policy. It bundles liability and property insurance into one plan, often at a discounted rate. But there's more. Liberty Mutual also offers add-ons like professional liability, workers' compensation, and commercial auto insurance. If your employees drive company vehicles or transport goods, that's essential protection. You won't believe this. Liberty Mutual even includes equipment breakdown and business interruption coverage in some packages, helping replace lost income if your business is temporarily shut down. Claims are handled quickly, with round-the-clock support and an easy online filing process. And because Liberty Mutual is a global insurer, you get access to robust risk management tools and expert advice. So, what do you really get for your money? Comprehensive protection, scalable coverage options, and a trusted partner dedicated to helping your business recover fast when the unexpected happens. In the end, Liberty Mutual isn't just selling insurance, it's giving you confidence to focus on what matters most, growing your business.